Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Good afternoon. Today on Saturday, yes, Saturday, July the 15th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the medium Sudoku and the samurai Sudoku. Yes, samurai Sudoku. And in this newspaper, not so good news because we have only one puzzle page. Yeah, the puzzle page of Saturday, July the 15th. We have here the Sudoku with 3 stars. Not really a 3 stars. 0 stars. Yeah, it has 28 printed digits. This one also indicated with 3 stars, but it has 26 printed digits. So should be a 2 stars. Then we have a killer Sudoku. 2 binaries, 10 by 10. Yeah. Alright. And the tectonic. No extra puzzles on Sunday. No additional. Let me show you. No additional. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles. Not in yesterday's newspaper, no. Because yesterday I've solved the rest of the puzzles of last Tuesday. So I think one of the older additionals, maybe the Friday edition or the Saturday edition. Alright. But let me start with the regular puzzle. The medium Sudoku number. This will be number. Wow, there's a lot of reflection of the light. Let me put this here. All right. Number 6755 here. 6755. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudokus in the additional, should be easier than the 1 star. The 1 star puzzle has 27 printed digits, and you should be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 14, 13 printed minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the one in this row, the one in the middle row? So the row below, the only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see a one in this column. No one there, one should be there. 1 cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Then yeah. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column, last column, is number 3. We have a 3 in this. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 in the last column could be here or there, here or there. We see a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. Here 3 in a row above, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. All right. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Need a 1. Need a 9. Okay. Alright. 5. Well, I need a 5. there. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4. 2. Need a 2 here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2. Okay, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about the 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row? So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. 7, 9, and the 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Alright. Need a 5 here. 5 there. Need a 5 here. I'm thinking. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 5 and 8 are missing, 5 and 8. Well, I think the 5 should be there. Because in this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be there, or there. So 2 missing numbers now, the 5 and the 8. Well, here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 in these 2 boxes, so the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the last column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. Only 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Oh, 8. 5. Need a 5 there. Okay. 9. We need an 8 here. 8. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Okay. 8. 7, 9, 4. 4 in the last row. 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 2. How about the 3? 3. Need a 7 here. Need a 3 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next. No, only 2 places left. All the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only place left for the 3 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Can I count the 3s? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. How about the 5 then? Yeah. Well, we have a 5 in, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, or there in the first column. Here, or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay, need a 5 here. Cannot continue. How about the 1 then? 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this last row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. It's yeah. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. Then let me see. Well, 1 box left in the first row for numbers. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay, so we have 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the first column, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is my 5, number 4. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the mouse. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the mouse. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, talk too much in the beginning. Talk too much, otherwise I will be faster than 15 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. And tomorrow I will solve the Samurai Sudoku and the rest of the puzzles in the puzzle page, and also the rest of the puzzles in additional of I believe Friday or Saturday, last Saturday, yeah. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you tonight. Bye bye for now.